How do you feel about Kirikiriroa Mana Kuratahi 2025? Do you think they did good? Terma Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Today, we are reacting to Te Mana Kuratahi 2025, Te Whare Kura o Kirikiriroa. Okay, today we're reacting to Kirikiriroa. Apparently these guys come first. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Let's get straight into it. They're definitely vibing, G. Wow. Thoughts. Father, that was pretty tough. The Tane are real freaking snappy, eh? So far, so good. I don't know what else to say. So far, so good. Time for their more tea G. Gee, I like the way this more tea sounds. Gee, that Motetea was on. I'm not even gonna lie. I love the tone of it. It sounded mean as. I think the only thing with me is like, it probably was deliberate because everyone's facials was the same. Like everyone was like, and it was just like, there wasn't too much of this. I like the sound of it, but the facials wasn't matching what it sounded like, if that makes sense. That's just me though. Let's get some solos, G. Honest. Oh, there's some. Okay. Aringa. Thoughts. See, like these facials, you put that with the Motetea, and then I'm like, yo, see the face? The visuals match the audio. So far, Aringa's my favourite item. Just because it was a vibe, okay? Everyone was smiling, everyone was moving, accents were tough, everyone was sharp as. Waiata was beautiful. It's 10 out of 10 item for me. Yo. Eish. Oh, it's... Holy heck. Holy heck, bro. Yo! Even the spin? Okay. Okay, about the adding being my favorite item, they're both like this. The poise like this one, they're like that. Waiata was beautiful. Those actions, just crazy. That's what I think anyway. Holy. The fact that you can pull that off is crazy. The way you use the directions, like one was going this way and the other one was going that way, it just looks sick as. It's something simple. That's what took the cake for me. Haka time. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Yeah. What's this fella's name? And this fella. Tell me. Someone drop them. Drop them down in the comments. They're tough. Yeah, that fella. This fella right here. He's tough. Yeah, look at his facials, gee. The haka was pretty tough. So overall, what did I think? I think that there was a lot of haka pieces and you 100% were nailing them. The waiata, when there was waiata, was mean. Some of you fellas are following me and stuff like that. And yous know I like a good waiata. So personal preference, I wish there was more waiata. So for the whakieke, I wish there was just waiata and then haka. For the whakawatea, waiata and then haka. And you fellas know this too. Personal preference, the bracket for me, not my cup of tea. The bracket as a whole though was pretty tough. The only thing I wasn't too thin about was the motiatea, but the motiatea itself, if you like, just listen, tough. Everything else though, actions were mean, actions were tough as. Everyone was moving around, didn't look like things were clashing, like it just looked smooth as. That's pretty much all I have to say. So Kirikiriroa, you fellas know, bro. Use the tough. Use the tough. Use know use the tough. And you just keep doing what you're doing. That's pretty much all I have to say. That's the end of the video. If you have made it this far, we're currently at 768 subs. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, chirp.